So one or more of your tires is low. You can get one of these sorts of tire filling tools at a Walmart or online and use it pretty easily to get back on the road. Be sure to check the proper tire pressure on the label on the inside of your driver's side door. Then you can unscrew and pull off your tire cap and be sure to save it somewhere safe. Then screw the air hose onto your tire nice and tight. You might hear a little bit of air come out when it's just about tight, and that's a good sign. Now for this particular tool, all you need to do is press the air button, and you can press the plus and minus buttons to the pressure you want, which I've already done. When it first comes on, it will show you the current pressure, which on mine is 29.5, and it should be around 35, so it's kind of low. If it flashes a number like 12.5 or so, that's just the battery charger voltage. You can ignore that. Once I press air again, you can hear the compressor come on, and you'll slowly see the numbers rising. Once it hits the target pressure that you've entered, it will automatically turn off. And you're done. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.